Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Arianne, this is my sister Julianna, and we're the Dragonfly dancers. Today we're going to show you how to do Gun Slinger Passes, which look like this. A couple tricks that would be helpful to know to do the gunslinger is going to be one, the reverse figure 8, and then the second one is going to go the reverse figure 8 into a stall. And when you come into the stall, you're going to grab the outside of the star furthest away from you and slowly let it come over the top of your shoulder. From here, we're going to roll our wrist out and down, and you're going to really focus on leading with this side that's closest to the top of the star. That way you will be able to go and aim right to your partner. And this is also a good little drill if you just want to practice and get comfortable doing it by yourself. You can do a couple passes just like that. So reverse figure 8, stall, pass. When you're ready to start practicing with a partner, you're both going to be holding the star and you're going to throw it from your dominant arm. So facing each other, reverse figure 8, stall. And then I'm gonna roll it right to where she's gonna catch it. Her arm is open right there, so I'm kind of aiming to land right there. So that is how you do the partner gunslinger pass-offs. If you like today's tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe to see more. We are the Dragonfly Dancers. Thanks for watching and have a great week.